today, as you can see, here is the lake. We are on World Showcase and we are going for a bit of a flower and garden food festival tour today. So Marky has currently purchased the beef tenderloin tips from Northern Bloom.
Try some?
What was your thoughts?
Very nice.
Let me try. Nice. Finney's just tried the beef tenderloin as well. He's debating. What about Ross? What did you think?
Very nice. I think I'd give it a 7.
7? We are now in Japan. Ventured to Hanami. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it.
Yeah.
And Marky has gone for the chicken by the looks of that.
Yeah. Chicken yakitori.
A yakitori.
Smells nice. Smells like, I think it's got pickled onions on it. I'm not sure what the sauce is, but I'll find out in a second.
It's nice.
I think that's a pick it up and eat it jobby, that is.
Or just dip it in the dip.
Daddy, what are you eating? Kebab.
That's nice. Chicken.
Kebab.
That's nice. You sure have to have Daddy. Some chicken, mate. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you.
Just really tastes like chicken.
Yeah, it doesn't really taste like anything particularly exciting. Yeah.
Jacob wants to try these chickens.
Looks better in Wagamama's.
Jacob wants to try a bit of chicken too.
Wow, it's done. Any good? Nice?
Okay.
It's okay, that's a good boy.
I just want my number. What in the world are you eating?
Marky, that's going to go horribly wrong.
I'll try the chicken. I'll try the chicken.
No, well done
you
you.
saying?
Well done, I take it back.
It's already gone.
Everyone can try the chicken, that's why I got as much as I did. Okay, take a bite off it. No, the whole thing is take a bite.
The second nibble. No, it's taking
Just
the
the
whole
whole.
thing. Just take the whole thing.
What would you give it out of 10? 100.
Right then, let's give this chicken a try.
100. Is that good?
Out of 10. That's pretty good.
I mean, 100 out of 10. I mean, 100 out of 10.
It doesn't really taste of anything. The thing we've got is something I've always wanted to try.
Sushi.
Sorry,
Frosty!
By the way, after that, we're going to Mexico.
So we have lots of melon and fruits wrapped with coconut. Let's give it a whirl. Cream. I do think it's kind of you just gotta go for it. Yes, it tastes really nice. It's nice, isn't it?
Never thought sushi would go right with fruit, but
It does, doesn't it? Jacob and Eva here now on our little food journey around Epcot. We're in the Regal Smokehouse in Epcot. Jacob has been really good and he's trying the garlic toast. Said it's really nice, yeah, that's good. And Eva Diva is giving the mac and cheese a whirl. Now, you've had a couple of bits of mac and cheese since we've been here so far. How does this rank?
It's good.
It's what, darling?
It's good. It doesn't taste like the one they used to have. I need to try the one that was by where Soaring was, because that's the one that I remember.
Oh, the one from Sunshine Seasons, yeah. Right then, Daddy over here. Let's go and see what he's got. So Marky got a brisket sandwich, some ribs, fries and onion rings.
Mummy, it does not taste like
Can't taste that one.
Does it taste like spicy?
It doesn't. No.
Nice.
The brisket is well nice.
Is it?
Really nice.
What
Very
about
nice.
the ribs?
How about those? That's good.
Yeah?
Quite nice. They don't fall off. It's not falling off. It's not falling
It's
off.
a bit chewy.
Like, very tasty.
That is well nice. Out of 10, it's like a 41.
Oh my gosh, okay then, we might need to give that a try. Hang on a minute, you, before I let me have a bite. Right, so this is the brisket sandwich.
Yes.
Good boy.
The salmon comes in, it's nice.
That is very nice. But I also feel like it's quite rich, like I don't think I could eat a whole one of those. Oh, Auntie Sally's been and got the pudding. However, let's try one of these beer battered onion rings as well.
And now I'm trying it.
You're going to try that, are you? Oh, Finney's going to try it now.
Small onion ring then.
What do you think, Finn?
Okay,
You like that, do you?
It's really fatty.
What, sorry?
The onion rings are really tasty.
They are really tasty. I also thought they were quite salt, like really over salty, if you know what I mean.
What's this one, Pam?
That one is the beef brisket sauce or something. Right, you ready, sir? Oh no, we've got the best thing over here because we've got the sweet stuff. What? Oh, this is the banana pudding, isn't it? Oh my god, this is the banana pudding. I forgot this was what they did in here.
Banana pudding. Is it nice?
That was crunchier than I was expecting.
It's like biscuits and cream. Let's go with the banana then, shall we? It's actually quite nice because it's kind of like...
Is it good? Auntie Sally too? Is it good, both of you?
Trying to figure out what it's like. It's a bit banana cakey. Banana, it's not banana bread.
Banana Angel Delight.
A little bit. Like the flavour. Banana Angel Delight. Yeah, let's let Marky have some of this as well. Yeah, that's kind of fine. Either way, sharing is caring. So it's like doing almost like doing a trifle, but with Banana Angel Delight. That is super nice. Right. Put it in. We're going to send it over to the table. Yeah.
Finny, let's see what you think of that.
Banana pudding. You want to try something?
Isn't that nice?
On behalf of Donald and his friends, have a dino-rific day exploring.
So today we are having lunch. Today we are having lunch at Tuskers House, aren't we? Yes. So it's changed since the last time we ate here because it's now family style, and so they bring all of the food to the table rather than the buffet. So let's just flip this round and show you what our first course is. So they bring you out some soft bread rolls and some poppadoms, and yeah, that's like a red hummus, mango chutney. Is that the coriander one?
Yeah, but it's nice. Try it.
Hummus, mango chutney, and coriander.
I think so.
And then they bring out a little African salad as well. Drinks wise, all of your soft drinks are included. We've gone for jungle juice. Jacob's got water. Finn had some jungle juice too. Eva's got chocolate milk. Izzy a Coke. The guys are going to have beers, I believe, aren't you? And this then is the prices for if you decide to have any of the drinks not on the menu. So you've got wines and beers. And if we just flip that round there, these are the speciality cocktails that are available. Right then, who's getting up for photos? Oh, that's it. Oh, thanks, Goofy. Just realised we didn't film the main course. So, we'll see what's left that we can show you. So that is the steak that comes out, like a coriander and garlic salsa on the top. This is the shrimp curry that comes out. You then get a platter with vegetables on it, pork, rice, chicken, and the steak, but we asked for more steak. You also get a bowl of mac and cheese.
Mackie.
And that's it. There were roast potatoes on here, which you can just see a couple of remnants there. So you also get roast potatoes in there as well. Roasty potatoes. And we're now waiting on the best course of all. We're now waiting on the best course of all, pudding. So pudding has arrived and it's so pretty. So we've got a honey cake, a chocolate brownie, and a cupcake. Ooh, very nice, hey?
It sounds nice.
How beautiful do they look? They look too nice to cut up, don't they? So we're going to give these puddings a bit of a try. Jacob's at his cupcake. He's had a try of the brownie. So I'm going to give this
By the way,
honey cake a try.
Do you have some water with the brownie? Even though it's moisture, it's a bit dry as well. Oh man.
Talking to yourself.
Which is not really tasting much in the way of honey, I can't lie.
This is not honey.
It's chocolate with like yellow.
She's not recording.
She's
recording the glass.
Almost a bit like a gelatine-y type thing through the middle.
No. I don't like it.
There's a bit of a crunch to it as well.
Have we tried the brownie? It's not bad.
And then there's a little bit of chocolate honeycomb, I think that is.
Mommy, have we tried the brownie? Even though it's a little bit weird, it's still quite nice.
So chocolate brownie
It's not bad. I'm just saying.
Really good.
is proper gooey, like really dense in the middle.
And it's quite.
I know you're supposed to chew your food.
To have a drink.
Really chew.
It's
Nice though.
It's not too big to go. It's normally chocolate brownie for me.
What do you mean it's not just one thing? Tell him. What do you mean it's not just one thing?
So it's a real dense mixture, and you do like have to chew it.
That's it.
It's not overly rich.
Just a little bit. Mummy, if you had that chocolate in it,
Is it? Let's give the cupcake a try.
it's not bad to be honest.
Just plain cupcake in the middle,
Yeah, just plain cupcake.
and icing on the top.
She's just completely lame.
I feel sick there.
Just a standard vanilla cupcake
Just a stain.
with some orange
Some stain.
coloured buttercream.
Buttercream.
I think it's the same old cupcake conversation.
Oh, they all taste the same. There's no, never seems to be any taste to them. They just taste like fluff. That's a good explanation for how it tastes.
So we've just left Tuskers House. Sally, what did you think as a first timer?
It was nice. The food was nice. I don't know. I think for fussy, wouldn't recommend it for fussy eaters if I'm honest. I don't
No.
think there's a lot of choice there for the kids.
No.
So, yeah, but you eat steak and things like that. If you're after chicken nuggets and chips and stuff like that, there aren't really any chips and there aren't any chicken nuggets. There's no burgers, so I definitely review the menu before you go in.
Yeah.
It was nice. I just felt that some of the food, some of the meat was a bit oily. That's the only thing that I would say. It was nice, but
Yeah.
just very oily. So I think with either feeling a bit there wasn't really any other options. Really,
No. I suppose they put the mac and cheese on there with the idea being for kids. I mean, we never asked, so I don't know. So maybe that's something you could ask. If you ask for like chicken tenders and fries, maybe they'd have got that like they do at Ohana.
Yeah.
Because they will do that at Ohana. So I don't know whether it's something they may do. But we never asked the question, to be fair. I think with any of the kind of character dining type food experiences, a lot of what you're paying for really is the ability to meet the characters, not necessarily about the quality of the food. I mean, categorically, you can get far nicer food outside of the parks, 100%, definitely. Yes, Finley.
But we saw Mickey, Daisy, Donald and Goofy.
Yeah. So you can 100% get much nicer, more reasonably priced food out the parks, but it's about whether you're able to or want to travel outside.
But they have the best donuts.
I mean, we're only having not even a handful, one hand of table service meals here in Disney because I wouldn't necessarily pay for them out of pocket. If they're on the dining plan and you're getting it as part of a package, then maybe, but I wouldn't actively pay for Disney food because places like Longhorns, Bahama Breeze, to name just a couple of our favourites really, you get far nicer food at far more reasonable price. But either way, the food at Tuskers House is one of the better dining, character dining foods if you like more tasty food.
But they have the best donuts.
Oh yeah, the best donuts are Joffrey donuts, aren't they? Yeah, he likes the Joffrey donuts.
And Starbucks. I'll tell you why I went with Joffrey donuts. They're massive.
They are massive, yes, they're massive.